Rust isn't just an ugly orange layer or a cosmetic annoyance. It is a chemical attack. It is oxygen and moisture eating metal from the inside out, and once it begins, it never stops on its own. The popular internet hack of soaking tools in vinegar feels like magic because it softens and removes rust quickly. However, this is a temporary fix that addresses the symptom, not the underlying chemical vulnerability. Vinegar strips everything away, leaving the metal exposed and unprotected. In this naked state, the oxidation process restarts the moment it touches air, often forming new rust within a single night. Using vinegar creates a cycle of soak, scrub, and repeat. You haven't solved the problem, you've simply reset the clock while the metal gets thinner and weaker with every cleaning. The professional approach isn't about removing rust, it's about transforming it. This method was understood by Roman soldiers and Japanese swordsmiths long before modern industrial coatings existed. The secret ingredient is tannic acid, the same compound found in tea and wine. Chemically, tannins react with unstable iron oxide at a molecular level to create something entirely new. The reaction converts flaky rust into ferric tannate. This new compound is dark, dense, and stable. Instead of falling off, it bonds to the surface and acts as a barrier against further corrosion. Through this conversion, the rust effectively becomes its own protection. Unlike vinegar, which strips the surface, tannic acid builds a protective shield that stops the spread of decay. No conversion is 100% airtight. To ensure a professional-grade result, you must apply a sealing layer, oil, wax, or clear coat, to lock out microscopic moisture and finish the protection system. The goal isn't to make metal look new for a moment, but to make it last for decades. Stop being a cleaner looking for a quick fix, and start being a restorer who controls the chemistry to turn damage into strength. For more, don't forget to subscribe to Life Explains.